Topographic maps and rules of contour lines. Topographic maps are maps that show you the surface features or topography of Earth. The surface features on a topographic map could be natural, like elevation, lakes, mountains, or human-made, like roads, cities, or railroads. The topographic map we're seeing now is of Eagle Mountain in Cook County, Minnesota, northwest of Grand Marais. Eagle Mountain is the highest point in Minnesota at an elevation of 2,301 feet above sea level. The lowest point in Minnesota is just 15 miles away from Eagle Mountain, and that's Lake Superior, which is at an elevation of 607 feet above sea level. Contour line rule number 1. All points along a contour line represent the same elevation, which means that if we walk along the 2,200 foot contour line near Eagle Mountain, we would never change elevation during our walk. Contour line rule number 2. The tops of hills, mountains, and depressions are shown by closed circles. People ask, why topographic maps? GPS is better. This is a Google Earth image of the Eagle Mountain area, and it can help us. GPS is very good at showing your location on Earth. That is, if you have a satellite signal, but does not show changes in elevation well. Yes, we still see 3 lakes near Eagle Mountain, and it's apparently well forested. But the topographic map does a much better job of showing us that if you approach Eagle Mountain from any direction, your elevation will be changing several hundred feet. Also on this map, notice the index contours. Every 5th line that is bold. Contour line rule number 3. The spacings of contour lines depend on slope characteristics. Contour lines close together show a steep slope, while contour lines far apart show a gentle slope. Contour line rule number 4. Contour lines that cross a valley or stream are V-shaped. This rule is not shown well on this map. The lower right hand corner of the topographic map in your journal is a much better example of rule number 4. Again, here is a Google Earth image of the previous topographic map. It does a nice job of showing features you expect at this location: rivers, ponds, forests, farmland, and others, but does not show us changes in elevation well. Find the X. This is the location we will visit as an 8th grade. This Google Earth image tells us it's near a river and quite forested, but what about its elevation or change in elevation? Looking at the topographic map of the same area, we can expect to find a relatively quick change in elevation as shown by the contour lines that are close together. Expect to see this on Friday, October 28th, 2011.